Hello, I'm in a 2005 Volvo S40 and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from your driver's side, we're going to go right down here and you should see a red lever. So that red lever should have some tension. We'll pull and it will release. And if for some reason this is loose, just double check. It's kind of dark, but there's a cable right by my fingers here that should be connected. Just want to make sure that's connected with a little tension. If it's not, I'm going to adjust that. I'll go up to the front. And usually towards the middle of vehicles there's a lever, which on this one I'm pinching like that and lifting. Pinch, lift. So that's where it was hooked. And this is what the mechanism looks like. If you're having issues, just double check for any debris that might be stuck in there. Maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen this up. Also, check to make sure your hood's not off alignment. You might need to straighten out this or check for bent parts. Straighten everything out. And then worst case, to replace these parts, and the cables aren't that expensive. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.